Hey guys, Quentin from Android.com here with Jeff from Sprint. He's going to show us the hTC EVO 3D just announced earlier today. So tell us about this phone.
All right, couple things that are unique. Number one, it is a 4G device. It is also 3D. It also has hTC Sense, the latest version, which is a full carousel, so you can rotate completely through the UI back to your home screen, so there's no hunting. A couple aspects about it are the processor. It's a 1.2 gigahertz dual core processor. It's a Snapdragon. Also has twin 5-megapixel cameras on the back.
And is that a twin LED flash?
It is indeed. So you can capture both stills and video in 2D or 3D. Has a toggle switch between 2D and 3D for your capture. That's your shutter button. Connection-wise, this is an MHL connection, which is actually a new connection that outputs both the HDMI as well as the micro USB for charging.
Okay, so previously the Samsung Galaxy S2 was the only phone with that. Now this has it.
Yep. Okay. So if we go into 3D playback, I've got a couple things here.
And the users watching this won't be able to see the effect, but
right. But this is an actual file that is encoded in 3D. It recognizes that it's a 3D encoding, switches to 3D so it can be displayed. This content isn't necessarily stuck on the device. Got a 3D TV, you can use the HDMI connection, output this file right to your TV as well.
Where's the HDMI?
It's actually...
Oh yeah, the MHL port.
Yep. We will launch with a new version of the Blockbuster application that will have their full host of 2D content as well as 3D content.
Nice.
Another feature will be output via HDMI, so it'll be a new feature for that as well.
Nice. Do you have any demos of the content shot with the actual camera on here?
Absolutely. So we have both some photos. These are actual photos shot with the device.
Okay.
We also have some video shot with the device. Let's see here. So we'll just go right to this one, give it a shot. Now, obviously we've overlaid the audio, but collected right from the device.
Cool.
It's quite amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Is that a front-facing camera in the front, right?
It does have a front-facing camera, 1.3 megapixel on the front.
Do you know anything as far as RAM goes, or
absolutely
internal storage?
Yes. So it has 1 gig of RAM, 4 gig ROM. SD card will be 8 gig shipping. It will support up to 32.
Okay.
So a lot of storage. And obviously, with the dual core, you can see how everything's very fast. Definitely notice. Also has a larger battery. It's got a
1750, right?
1750 milliamp, so nice. Larger battery.
So as far as 3D goes, is this going to be content, or will you guys end up doing things like with the UI, or let developers do apps with 3D?
I think you'll see content, you'll see games. I think you'll see you'll see everything. Okay. I think you'll probably see a boom in user-generated 3D content as well.
Right.
The quick application will have the ability to record and share 3D content, so you can upload that to YouTube. So there'll definitely be a lot of content that we spurred as a result of it.
All right, sweet. And that is launching with Android 2.3.
Yep,
latest version of Sense. And what's the time frame on it?
This summer.
This summer, cool. And that's the hTC EVO 3D. Talking with Jeff from Sprint, from Android.com. Thanks.